I just got the new matte lipsticks from Thrive Causemetics. And I'm trying 3 colors for you guys because I can't afford the whole line, but that's okay. So this is called the Thrive Causemetics Empower Matte Precision Lipstick Crayon. So packaging looks like this, and I got all 3 colors, and I have the color Stephanie, Rachel, and Reagan's. I love that they're naming these lipsticks according to women's names. So on the box, it does kind of show what kind of color it might look like, but I will be swatching and trying these on for you guys right on my lips today. And with the purchase, you qualify to get a little makeup bag from Thrive Causemetics. It says bigger than beauty. I love what Thrive Causemetics stands for. They are vegan, cruelty-free. They love good for you, clean ingredients. And their main goal is to kind of provide you with makeup and skincare that meets the needs of women. And so I love that. So let's go ahead and try these. All right, I'm gonna take off my lipstick. The lighter one that I have, this is in the color Rachael, and it's spelled R-A-C-H-A-E-L, so not the typical Rachael spelling that you would expect. But here's the packaging. Thrive Causemetics has always had very luxurious packaging, so it's heavy, good quality, just all around nice. And so here it is, and it's a twist up. So you can twist it up like so. It's about this big. It can go a while. So you get a good amount, guys. And let's try it. So first impressions, it looks like it's very creamy, it glides on nicely, it doesn't tug, it's just full of moisture in there. I believe it has some kind of oil in here. It's a semi-permanent pigment, so it probably won't have that super lasting effect that you would expect. It also has a built-in sharpener right here to kind of give you that perfect point. So I love that. You can snap it back in. So this is cute. I love the color. It's definitely on the orange peachy side, which I don't mind. This would be a very neat summer color for me. The next color is Reagan. Actually, I think this is a lighter color than Rachael. So this is Reagan. It's like that. Of course, guys, I do love to pick color that has a nudie brown base. That's just the color that I gravitate towards because it hides that kind of line, that thick line around my lips. I want my lips to all have the same color. I like the pointy tip. It's very precise, allows you to just get to that edge. So this is the color Reagan. Okay, last one is in the color Stephanie. I think this is the darkest color that we have. So this is where you twist up. Ooh, it's like a raspberry color actually. This one is super pigmented. So this is Stephanie right here. So these are the 3 colors side by side. know which one's your favorite.